Nelson Chamisa responded to a leaked audio. Kusangara kwatinoita pana pa YouTube channel yenyu yeMagaba News pana kukwikira news dzinenge dzichiitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe tichingokurudzirana kana uri mutsva hit the subscribe button nekutena notification bell. Zuva ranhasi tauya takabata nhau yechiitiko cheaudio rakatendera munyika yeZimbabwe rinova riri kudomwa kunzi mashoko avaadvocate Nelson Chamisa avaironga vari pamwe chete navaMnangagwa pamwe chete naFirst Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa panguva ya2018 yemaelection a2018. So vaadvocate Nelson Chamisa vauya vachijekesa vachiresponda pamusoro pechiitiko ichi chavauya vachinyora anova ari mashoko ari kutenderedzwa zuva ranhasi munyika yeZimbabwe ari kunzi akabva kuna vaadvocate Nelson Chamisa vachizivisa ruzhinji rwenyika yeZimbabwe maererano neurongwa hwavo maererano nemuono wavo pakugadzirisa nyika yeZimbabwe, apo pavakazivisa vachiti macitizen emunyika yeZimbabwe musarasiswe kuri kuenda nezvinhu zvemunyika yeZimbabwe muchipiringishwa kuti musafokase nanhau yekuchinjwa kwebumbiro remutemo renyika yeZimbabwe. Ero vakataura ivo vakati zvinhu zvese zvavari kuita munyika yeZimbabwe vari kuitira best interest yemacitizen emunyika yeZimbabwe. Havasi kuda kuti varase tariro yemacitizen enyika yeZimbabwe. Apo vakanyora vachiti fellow citizen, I'm focused on the main show, finding a national solution to curb 3 are not destruction or sad shows. My leadership efforts and focus is on our plans and a fresh start, a path ahead. The die is cast. I say and act with integrity, purpose, and in your best interest. Everything I do is grounded in accountability, responsibility, and the national interest. Ignore this sting operation and merchandisation meant to push a false narrative founded on malice and lies. God bless you forever and always. Nelson Chamisa. Mashoko akanyorwa navaadvocate Nelson Chamisa vachiramba chiitiko chemashoko akabudiswa achitenderedzwa munyika yeZimbabwe vachiti ivo vari kumira nemacitizen. According to New Zimbabwe, political landscape has once again been steered following claims surrounding a leaked audio involving opposition leader Nelson Chamisa. The audio, which has circulated widely politically circles, allegedly captures discussions suggest that Chamisa may have exploit a political arrangement with President Emmerson Mnangagwa and First Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa in the aftermath of the disputed 2018 election. Chamisa dismissed claim as a distraction. In response, Chamisa has firmly rejected the narrative surrounding the audio, framing it as a part of a broader attempt to derail his current political focus. In a public statement, he emphasized that his attention remains on what he described as a national solution to the ongoing debate around Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3. Chamisa characterized the audio as a sting operation and mentioning urging supporters to disregard what he called effort to push a false narrative forward on malice and lies. His message reinforcing themes of accountability, national interest, and what he has recently branded as a fresh start approach to Zimbabwe's political future. A question over authenticity and political context. Despite Chamisa's dismissal, the alleged record has sparked the debate across the political spectrum. Some analysts and commentators urge that if authentic, the audio raises a broader question about the political strategy and behind-the-scene engagement in Zimbabwe's high polarized environment. It is not uncommon in politics, both in Zimbabwe and globally, for leaders to engage in a formal or exploitatory discussions, especially in periods following contested election. However, without independent verification accessible to the public, claims about the content and intention of the audio remains contested and should be treated with caution. The controversy comes at a time when Zimbabwe's opposition appears increasingly fragmented. Chamisa has recently taken a distinct stand on Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 suggests that the country's constitutional framework itself lacks legitimacy. This position has placed him at odds with other prominent figures such as Tendai Biti, Jameson Timber, Lovemore Maduku, Munyaradzi Gwisai, and Job Scala, who have been vocal in opposing the proposed constitutional change through legal and civic processes. This differing approach highlights a deeper strategy divide whether to engage with the existing institution, to push back against reforms, or to reject the framework, although and advocate for a broader political rest. The re-emergence of debate around alleged past negotiation also intersects with earlier tensions with the opposition movement, including disputes linked to Sengezo Shabangu and internal party legitimacy following the 2023 election. For many observers, the timing of the leaked audio has raised the question about the political motives, particularly as discussions around constitutional reform intensify. Others see it as a part of a recurring pattern in Zimbabwe politics where information, verified or otherwise, can shape narrative and influence public opinion. Ultimately, the situation underscores the complexity of Zimbabweans' political environment, conflicting narrative and internal divisions, and questions about transparency continue to shape the national conversation. Muri yeZimbabwe ndo zvinhu zvikubuda ndo mashoko ari kubva kuna vaadvocate Nelson Chamisa vachiti aiwa ndakamira nemi macitizen emunyika yeZimbabwe, musade kurasikwa nzira yekuti musaone nezve 2030 yoda kuitwa neZANU-PF iyi, ngatirwei fight ye2030. Vachiti aiwa takaita afresh to start kuti tinyatsowane nzira yekuenda nayo. Iri kuti mashoko ari kubva kuna vaadvocate Nelson Chamisa vachiti zvinhu zvese zvandiri kuita ndikuita kuti vana veZimbabwe vave neshanduko, vave nezvakanaka, musarasiswe nevavengi. What's your take on this? Each also take on this news. Ndidzo news dzataka tikabata pano pachannel yenyu Magaba News.